I spent 6 months obsessing over every single detail of this pillow. I finally gave a few prototypes to my friends, thinking they'd love them. But their reaction? Alex, we're not feeling it. I was floored. I thought the product was the problem, until the truth came out. One friend was sleeping on a new, super soft mattress they weren't used to. Another didn't realize the pillow was flippable and spent the whole night on the high side. And the third guy? He's one of those people who sleeps on the floor without any pillow at all. It turned out I was just testing it on the wrong people. They didn't have sleep issues or neck pain to begin with. Feeling stuck, I decided to go on my dream road trip. Miami to Niagara Falls. 3 days there, 3 days back. I tossed the pillow in the car and hit the road 2,500-mile journey. 2 hours in, my lower back started killing me. I tried tweaking the lumbar support in my new BMW, but nothing worked. So, tucked the pillow behind my back. The pain vanished instantly. It turned out this thing doesn't just work for sleeping. It's an incredible support system while sitting in a chair too. That was the moment it truly proved its multifunctionality. That's when it clicked. I remembered why, out of all my invention ideas, I chose this one first. It has a real mission. Your brain makes tens of thousands of automatic decisions every day. To make the big, life-changing ones, you need a rested mind. And where does your mind rest? In sleep, on a pillow. Bottom line, the right pillow can literally upgrade the quality of your decisions and ultimately your life. Spoiler alert, I didn't know back then that 6 months was just the warm-up. I had 2.5 more years of R&D and pure struggle ahead of me. For the next week, driving 8 hours a day and crashing in different hotels every night, MultipilloW was my lifesaver. It became my pillow pal. That was the first real-world test, and it crushed it. I was all in on development, but I had no clue about the nightmare waiting for me with the factories. They kept promising they could pull it off, but they just couldn't. Since I was working remotely, we were testing the foam over video calls. We'd place Coke bottles on the foam to see the rebound. On Zoom, everything looked perfect. 2 months later, the samples arrived. They were horrific. Absolute trash. The foam felt like a wet sponge. It went flat the second you touched it. 8 months of work straight into the garbage. What went wrong? Why did my DIY version work while theirs failed? The physics didn't lie. My simple home-built prototype held its shape. The factory version flopped. That's when I realized, you can't build something like this through a computer screen. So I packed my bags. Remote work is over. I'm heading to the factory to make sure they get it right. See you in 2024. Now it's getting real.